So hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this Moman solar lights outdoor. Used, see here the lights, with motion detection sensor. We have 3 modes, brightness adjustable, and it's IP65 waterproof with remote controls. For our garden or garage or yard in black or white, it's a solar-powered outdoor LED wall light. And it's a pack of 2. The solar panel absorbs and converts sunlight into electricity and stores it in the 2200 mAh lithium battery. After charging for 6 up to 8 hours during the day, under direct sunlight, the solar lamp switches on automatically at night and provides excellent lighting within its 56 super bright LED heads for our outdoor area. And it's convenient and easy to use. We slide the on-off button to the on position to turn on the lights. Then we can direct turn on off the lights, change the lighting modes and adjust the brightness by using the remote control. No need to climb up, for example. The remote control has a maximum range of 5 meters. When using the remote control, of course, we have to remove the clear insulating sheet first to connect them. The solar security lights for outdoor offer 3 lighting modes. We have motion sensor plus dim light. That means the light illuminates with 100% brightness when a detection a movement. It returns to the dim mode after 15 seconds. Then we have motion sensor mode. The light turns on with full brightness. Then motion is detected. We turns off after 15 seconds. Completely. And the constant on mode. The light turns on automatically at the night and constant lighting then. The solar motion sensor LED light can detect a range of 1 up to 5 meters. And the solar motion sensor for outdoor is a wall light. This is made of strong ABS plastic, which is waterproof and heat resistant, able to withstand all kinds of harsh weathers. It's suitable for a variety of scenarios, such as in a backyard and porch, farms, pastures, gardens, etc. And we can mount the solar-powered wall lights on an outdoor wall using the bracket supplied. It is of course recommended to install the solar wall light facing south to ensure that the solar panel can absorb the sufficient light. The ideal height for installation is around 1.8 up to 2.5 meters. The lamp power is 5.5 volt with 1.5 watt. The battery is a 3.7 volt 2000 mAh lithium battery. The expanded battery charge time is 8 hours. The LED quantity and type is 4856 to 2835 SMD. The rated power is 6 watt. The lumens are 800 lumen. The color is 6500K. The angle of induction is 120 degrees. The distance within 1 up to 8 meter of induction. The rotate bracket rotates 180 degrees in 2 positions. We tighten by nuts and self-lock. And remote control can be set up the mode and switch on or off the lamp and adjust the brightness. And the rotate bracket have self-lock function. When adjusted the bracket, we should release the nuts, otherwise it cannot adjust at the degrees, of course. But then we can tighten it and it will stay in position and we have a lot of fun. We first charge is for 6 up to 8 hours in the direct sunlight. And when the darkness comes, the light will go on automatically if it is, of course, switched on. And then you can have fun with it and have a nice, shining garden or pasture or where you like to install it. That's cool. That's the Moman solar lights for outdoor use. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon soon.